mamela ke tshela mina ngifuna ukukutshela before nithintana umtshele banihambe niyokwenza itest ngoba le ntombazana igama layo uKarabo u-HIV positive. Thako Satan mntanami ngibatla uthusa. Batla uthusa. uNkulunkulu uthe kum let me help you irike uthuse. I saw a bank. I saw you working at a bank. I saw a Standard Bank. But ngakubona ugxothwa. Ngakubona uqala uba neproblem yokugula. Mawuqala uba neproblem yawugula, wagula, wayilusebenza, wagula, wa-end up uphume emsebenzini. The problem started xa upromotwa waqale waphathwa inyawo, waqala waphathwa ngamehlo.
Prophesy.
The devil will frustrate you. The devil will frustrate you. Every time where there is a blessing, the devil will frustrate the blessing. Today, uhlele ekhaya awusebenzi, uhlele ekhaya uyahlupheka, ukhangela umsebenzi awutholi. Khangela umsebenzi manje phelile. 5 years ukhangela umsebenzi. Phelile 5 years ukhangela umsebenzi awutholi, abantwana bagxothwe esikolweni, imoto yakho yathathwa.
Amen.
Hlele ekhaya uyasokola. Nendoda efanele uyakondla isakondle. Sakondle asokola. When the devil is frustrating you mntanami uzawuthatha konke.
Amen.
That is why today I must give you my spirit. Uhambe uyolwa nezitha zakho. My daughter, uskaba nalivalo yeah?
Amen.
Ya uskathuha. Ya uskathuha. Mina njengoba ngikhuluma nawe manje. Le 5 years oyihleli ungasebenzi uhlukumezeka. Phela mina mase ngithanda mina ngayongena ekamereni ngokutshela indlela ohlukumezwa ngayo yile ndoda. Kunabantu abazokuthanda into maziright mazizimbi bangakuthanda. You must be delivered. I'm telling you must be delivered. Kunezinto ofuneka uyishiya. Kunabantu ofuneka ubashiya. You must be delivered. Must be delivered. You must be delivered. Mina ngwanaka kikoSoweto no. KikoSoweto no. Hakifitla mo Soweto wathi uNkulunkulu mangihambe ngiyofuna indoda yakho. Angikhuluma boyfriend mina ngikhuluma ngendoda yomshado.
Baba.
Khuluma ngendoda yomshado mina. Indoda eyamithisayo yahamba yopregnancyisa ngaphandle wayixolela wayithwarela yaphinda yomithisa wayithwarela.
Ngempela baba iqiniso baba.
Ngizokutshela enye into ongayazi ke manje. Saonkathu seila manto prevelia la soda onkathula ma brave sada Shaonteli katu sadosh Ramoshta brava santulama enkotula hasadash lenkotu sadash le provalia asaladash. How old are you mtana?
I'm 46 years old.
46 years. Yes. 46 years. Abantwana bathathu 46 years. Ngifuna ukukutshela because namhlanje ngifuna ukukunikeza isibusiso. Before ukunikeza isibusiso, ngifuna uqale ke uthuse. because uthe umoya ongcwele manje endlini nina niyalwana kuyaliwe
Yebo, baba,
endlini
ukhuluma
niyalwana endlini niyalwana endlini kunentombazana emithi kodwa yena uyaphika uthi akunguyo ipregnancy
Amen. Iqiniso baba.
Prophesy. Kulukutu.
ndiniyeke izinto zabantu ngiyaniyeka mina
Go deeper, Baba.
I want to help you Kibatla Utus. And why I want to help you, my daughter, it is because you've been in a fight for your husband for more than 3 months. Anibambane kamereni anisathinta.
Iqiniso.
Mamela ke tshela mina ngifuna ukukutshela before nithinta. Umtshele banihambe niyokwenza itest. Ngoba le ntombazana igama rayo nguKarabo. uKarabo u-HIV positive. Mawulala naye uzogula. Angithi divorce, angithi yenza, ngithi kuwe your husband, as I'm talking to you, if I'm a prophet of God, before ulale naye umtshele ubuprofet mama nuthe asihambe test.
Amen.
Shota Profalia Asaladas. Hear me. If it happened, I don't say do what I'm saying. If it happened that you want to decide otherwise, when a Monday uzobuthola umsebenzi omtsha.
Amen. Ngiyabonga.
I don't say go and divorce. I'm saying if it happened that you want to live a different life.
Amen.
Okay.
Kulukutu. Uzalele lokho baba.
Walala naye. You are going to be HIV also. So choose now what you want to do. But when you choose, think about your children.
Amen.
Think about your 2 daughters and 1 son. Think about them. As God is going to bless you, Monday by fire, by force. Uzobukala usaba.
Amen.
Never put yourself and feel sorry with decisions about. Any decision in a consequence yayo. I don't say anything. It's for you to think about that. But I'm saying never destroy your life because someone chose to destroy impilo yakhe and be part of that. These are the words from God. Amen. Take it, my daughter, you shall prosper.
Amen.
When